Wow. BMW.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. First of all, I want to make something clear. Don't mind my hair and my outfit right now. I just finished packing for today and I just took a shower because you can't survive here without taking 4 to 5 showers a day because it's so freaking hot here. So don't mind my outfit and my hair and my appearance right now. But anyways, let's get down with today's video and what we're going to be doing today. So by the title you must have understood that it's a road trip. It's actually a road trip to my hometown, which is Wayanad, and we're going to be going there day after tomorrow because I've received 7 days of holiday and my dad has received only leave for 4 days, so we are going to be staying there for 4 days. I mean the 4th day we're coming back, so 3 days I guess, yeah, 3 days max. So normally it takes like 10 to 12 hours of driving to get there because there's no airplane or train or anything. You have to go there by bus or by your own vehicle. So mostly we go by our car, and it's a long drive. It's very long, takes up to 10 to 12 hours, and my dad drives continuously for 10 to 12 hours. Honestly, that's wow. Oh my god, I don't even know how he does that because that's a long time for driving. Kudos to my dad. Ooh, I don't even know how he does that. But anyways, so I think we're gonna be leaving very very early because he says that there's gonna be a lot of traffic because there's a new highway that's going on construction in our way. There's going to be a new highway. I think some of the part is still like fully completed and we're going to be going there. So I'm going to like show you guys the new highway and stuff. So it's going to be there's going to be a lot of traffic. So we're going to be leaving very, very early so that we can get to Wayanad as fast as possible. So I think my dad has been saying we're going by like 5 a.m. So I'll have to wake up at like 4. So we're going to be sleeping very early tomorrow, I guess. But I'm just gonna show you guys how we're gonna be celebrating Vishu in Wayanad and everything. If I'm going somewhere in these 3 days, I'm gonna show you guys that. And yeah, that's the video for this week. And I am so sorry for not posting for the past 2 weeks. I think my last video was 2 weeks, but I did compensate by posting some shorts. If you haven't seen that, go check out it. Then it is in my channel, of course. I've posted some dance shorts. I think I'm gonna do it a little bit more because I kind of like it. I like doing it, so I'm gonna be doing it from now on. So anyways, I did compensate for you guys for 2 weeks. Just bear with me, okay? Anyways, my school's gonna be like closing for vacations. Like we have like 1 more week of school and then we're like closed, and after that we have May, and May is like vacation time for us. So of course at that time there will be like a lot of videos, so don't worry, there's a little bit of gap here because some of my exams are going on, so I need to study, and 10th grade is really busy. I need to do this, that and that. It's gonna be really hectic from now on, but I promise you guys I'll bring you guys video every week. I'll try to. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the road. Okay, so guys, I might look a bit messy right now. Don't mind that. I was just done packing. It's a big one. Yep. There's all my clothes in there. I actually finished packing pretty easily. Usually my packing takes up to an hour or maybe like half an hour, but this took only 30 minutes, so that's a win for me. But I feel like I didn't pack enough. I don't know. I feel like something is missing because I finished packing so quickly. So I'm just gonna like check everything and be ready and sleep by almost 8:30. Guess I think because we need to leave early in the morning, as early as possible. As Dad said, maybe like 4 a.m. Yeah, 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So I'm hoping that I would be sleeping by 8:30. Normally I sleep by 11. So let's just hope I can sleep early. So yeah, I'll see you at the road trip. I'll be in my car next time you see me, I guess. So we'll see you in Wayanad, I guess, or maybe the road. Okay, so hi guys. It's early in the morning and I didn't want to talk. I just woke up here and I'm doing voiceover here because I'm just so tired, but it's actually going to be 4 a.m. and we're gonna head out now. So yeah.
BMW ഇവന്മാരൊക്കെ പറക്കുന്ന റോഡാ മോളെ. ബെൻസും BMW ഒക്കെ അവർക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴാണ് റോഡ് കിട്ടുന്ന പഠിക്കുക. ആ പൈസ
So first we have a sanitizer here, and then we have some water bottle here, and then if we look over there, we have some plastic covers because I have motion sickness, and if I need to vomit, I would need that. And then if we come here, we have the sunblock thingy to avoid the sun because it's very sunny outside. And then what else are we missing? Oh yeah, of course, a classic radio because it's very boring inside the car, so we would need that.
ഐറിസിനല്ലേ ഉള്ളൂ.
My lips are chapped, my butt hurts. I think my motion sickness is starting to kick in, and I only had 4 hours of sleep. And I just want to go home, but I don't know which home to go to because we're already halfway there. Somebody send help! So we stopped at a hotel to eat some lunch, and then we'll get right back on the road. Okay, so we're done with lunch. I mean, not lunch, brunch because we didn't really eat. Oh my god, can you guys hear me? There's like loud noise behind me. We didn't eat breakfast since it was like 4 a.m. when we like woke up. Actually 3:30, but like now we are outside. We just ate. We're here at White House. Can you see that? Yeah, we're at White House. We always come here like for the past 15 years of my life. I've been like eating from here, so we found it here. Actually, we wanted to get into Highlight Mall in Kozhikode, but because of the new highway, we couldn't find where the entry is, and we just missed it. We like drove right past it, so we couldn't get in there, so we had to go to White House. But anyways, now we are outside. We are like walking here and there for a while because we have been sitting in the car for the past 5 hours, and my dad has been driving for the past 5 hours. Oh my god! Everybody give him a good clap. How can he was like driving for 5 hours straight without stopping anywhere. So we're just stretching our legs right now, walking here and there. And yeah, next stop is Wayanad, and we are going, you can see the biggest mountain from here. We have to go all the way to the top of the mountain and reach Wayanad. So anyways, I'll catch you guys there. So bye for now, bye bye. Okay guys, we're here at my hometown. It's been so long I came here actually. I didn't come here for Christmas, so it's been a while. Hey, I'm back. Hello, front yard. Oh.
ഇങ്ങനെ താഴെ നിങ്ങൾ എടുക്കണം.
എനിക്കറിയാം അതൊക്കെ
തൃശ്ശൂർ പൂരം. അവിടെ മത്സരമാണല്ലോ അവിടെ. അവരും പഠിക്കും, അവരും പഠിക്കണ്ട ഏത് സംഭവം.
And we're back. Woo! Finally, we're back. Oh, it's been so long. It's been just 4 days, but I've been missing my home. Hey guys, I'm back from Wayanad, and actually it took us longer to get here because when we were going there, I think it was just an 8-hour trip because we departed very early, like 4 a.m. But coming back here, we actually left pretty late. By 10 a.m. we left home. So it took us longer, actually 11 hours, 10 and a half hours. So 11 hours to get here. So that took us longer time. And we're absolutely exhausted right now. And I just did some unpacking. I showered. I got dressed for the night. And it's actually like 10 p.m. I'm going to eat some food. Then I'm going to bed. I'm really tired. I don't really want to talk right now, but I still have to shoot the outro. So, anyways, I think I'll show you guys my cousin in one of the clips. I don't know. I haven't reviewed the clips yet, but in the next video, I'm going to his practice. I think I don't really know what I'm saying. Okay, I'll give you guys a little breakdown. Okay, my cousin, he's going to like cricket practice to a stadium called Krishnagiri Stadium, and it's actually like a really popular one. Like Sachin Tendulkar and the Indian team has played over there, which is wow. It's really famous because it's like one of the, I think there's only two stadiums like this in India. One is in Himachal Pradesh and one is in Wayanad, because it's on top of a mountain and it's like it's like a tabletop. Okay, the mountain is like a tabletop, and on top of it it's the stadium, like the full. It's like a tabletop stadium. So which is only in Wayanad and in Himachal Pradesh. So only two in India. So that's really like legendary thing. So I'm just gonna show you guys the stadium, and I'm gonna picking up in the next video. So that's what the next video is. I'm not gonna be telling you guys in detail about what I'm going to, like where I'm going to and stuff. So you might want to watch this video and then go to the next one. That's why I'm saying it over here. But I'm actually in the process of editing that and this as well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and happy Vishu. I don't even know why I'm saying that. I mean, happy Holy Week, I guess, for every religion out there. Happy Holy Week. I think it's gonna be pretty late by the time I upload this, because in my hometown there's barely any Wi-Fi or net, so I didn't get to edit there much. But I guess this will be posted very late. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and you know the normal YouTube things. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, bye.